Oh yeah. Oh my God. She's ballistic.
Yeah, so and on the that is well done.
Yeah, she does beautiful work. But she doesn't want to do it for profit. She only does it for charity.
And who's that?
It's a friend of Julie Hunter's.
I can make a block for the club.
Wow.
Or any other club, like Lori Bill's club, maybe if she needs one. Yeah, I can make a block. It's just too much effort.
Yeah, I can make two, but mine are for function. Yes.
Wow.
So heavy. It weighs about 3 pounds. So
I can do a block and then somebody puts it together for some fundraiser. And recently somebody from the west side came all the way to my house, drove, because I know how to sew. They wanted to make a birdie vest. They're not fancy like Stephanie.
Oh, okay.
Just, get the job done. So it fits. So it's nice if someone, they know how to do it, simple. It's hard to find someone that knows how to do that. Yeah, it is.